Sawadee Kop! Welcome to Break Time with Monte. Today's story, Coming Down. Court orders big hotel destroyed. A large luxury hotel and serviced apartment building on Soi Rom Rudai in Bangkok has been ordered demolished by the Supreme Administrative Court since the soi is too narrow and they should never have been built in the first place. Coming down, court orders big hotel destroyed. The Supreme Administrative Court has ruled that a large luxury hotel and serviced apartment building on Soi Rom Rudai in Bangkok will have to be demolished, at least in part, to comply with construction regulations. The ATAS on Soi Rom Rudai, which cost at least 3 billion baht to build, comprises the 24-story ATAS Bangkok Hotel with 214 rooms, and an adjacent 18-story serviced apartment building called the ATAS Residence with 242 rooms. The properties have been completed and have already begun commercial service. The ruling ends a 6-year legal battle which started in 2008 with a lawsuit by 24 residents of the Soi against Patamwan district officials. They were angry that the project was allowed to go ahead even though the soi was less than 10 meters wide, meaning very tall buildings were not allowed. The officials issued a letter saying the soi was 10 meters wide. This allowed Lar Prathon Company Limited and Tib Tim Torn Company Limited, the developers of the two properties, to build taller structures than would be allowed in a narrower soi. Later, the Public Works Department measured the width of the soi and found it was not 10 meters wide throughout, with 8 sections narrower than that. A scene from Google Street View shows just how narrow Soi Rom Rudai is outside the hotel. Songkram Sapcharon, a Chulalongkorn University lecturer and one of the plaintiffs, said the case served as a wake-up call for officials who had to perform their duty carefully. Large buildings must not be allowed in narrow sois due to safety concerns, such as when a fire breaks out and fire trucks cannot enter the scene. Champong Klub D, chief of the Volunteer Lawyers Center under the Foundation for Consumers, said the Bangkok Metropolitan Administration and the Patamwan District Office had to order the owners to demolish the buildings in full or in part within 60 days. Now, the question on everybody's minds is, how is such a large building going to be demolished? And if it is partially demolished, which part will go? And now, today's vocabulary. Adjacent. Adjacent. Administrative court. Administrative court. Bangkok Metropolitan Administration. Bangkok Metropolitan Administration. Battle. Battle. Case. Case. Commercial. Commercial. Comply with. Comply with. Comprise. Comprise. Concerns. Concerns. Construction. Construction. Consumer. consumer, demolish, demolish, developer, developer, duty, duty, foundation, foundation, issue, issue, lawsuit, lawsuit, lawyer, lawyer, lecturer, lecturer, legal, legal, luxury, luxury, narrow, narrow, plaintiff, plaintiff, property, property, public works, public works, regulations, regulations, resident, resident, rule, rule, ruling, ruling, scene, scene, structure, structure, volunteer, volunteer, wake-up call, wake-up call, width, width. That's today's story and vocabulary. You have a great day. I'll see you next time here on Break Time with Monte.